Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. Today we're talking about Zombie Inu. You all know about the migration process which is in live. So there are people who have some questions, and in this video we will try to answer all of the major questions. For example, this question, how to transfer from Trustwallet. There are a lot of people who are asking me these questions in the comment section of my video which I posted a few days ago, and today I want to first talk about Zombie Inu, and then I want to talk about the technical issues, how to migrate your Zombie Inu token to the new contract address, guys. So let's begin with analyzing the CoinMarketCap page. This is the old Zombie Inu's page. This is the old Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain contract addresses, and you can see that the price of Zombie Inu is pumping. So this is the old Zombie Inu. Soon this contract address will be changed into a new contract address. There will be different total supply. There will be different taxes, but the market cap will be the same, guys. So if you check the last 7 days chart, Zombie Inu pumped a lot when there was some news about the migration. Then we had this drop, and today it's pumping. It's pumping because the whole global crypto market is pumping. You can see the Ethereum price, you can see the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is up by 5.3% over the last 24 hours. Also, Ethereum is up by more than 10%, almost 11% over the last 24 hours, and the global crypto market is up by 5% for today. So finally we see these green numbers on CoinMarketCap. Finally all of the coins are pumping. So this is the great thing for us, for crypto holders, for Zombie Inu holders. But if you don't hold Zombie Inu and you are thinking about to invest into Zombie Inu, I don't suggest you to buy Zombie Inu at the moment. First of all, you should wait a few days until the migration process will be over, and then you can buy Zombie Inu V2 with a new contract address, guys. So I suggest you to not invest at the moment into Zombie Inu. And now let's talk about the people who hold Zombie Inu and who are going to migrate their tokens to the new contract address. We have got an article about this process. There is a step-by-step guide. So I will leave the link in the description of this video, and also you can go to the Zombie Inu's official Twitter page, and there will be pinned tweet which is this article. So go on this article, and this is the step-by-step instruction how to migrate your tokens. And the people who are asking me questions about how to migrate from Trustwallet, you just need to click this link which is here. Just click this link and close this pop-up. This is Trustwallet guide, Trustwallet on mobile, Ethereum, Trustwallet on mobile, Binance Smart Chain. So choose one of them. If you're holding Zinu token through Binance Smart Chain, you just click this guide here, and this article appear in your browser, and here will be step-by-step guide how to transfer your Zombie Inu V1 tokens to Zombie Inu V2 through Binance Smart Chain, guys. So this is the answer for you guys who are asking me questions about how to transfer tokens from Trustwallet. Also, there's instructions for Coinbase, and Zombie Inu is listed also on other CXs. For example, it's listed on Gate.io, MX, Bitmart, and other CXs. So we should wait for their instructions. I think that this process will be automatic on their platform, so let's wait for their guides first. More than a week left before the end of the migration process, so we have got some time. And also I want to remind you this important information about the Zombie Inu V2. There will be a new contract address. The tax will be 5%, 1% burn, 1% auto buyback, 1% marketing, 1% development, and 1% auto LP and sell tax from 12% decreasing to 5% over the first 8 days. So when V2 will be released, first 8 days the sell tax will be 5%, and then usually it will be 12%, guys. So these are the important information about Zinu. Thank you for watching. If you have some questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And one more thing, guys, don't forget subscribe my channel. We are gonna hit 5K subscribers very soon. And also I will leave the link of my Telegram in the description. You can join my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.